Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Check IDM version, OS build, and the port's IDM uses. Once done, disable firewall and any VPN temporarily so you can isolate network causes. Make sure to collect logs, IDM application logs, browser console errors, and system event viewer entries, because they show the failure point. This early evidence tells you whether the problem is local, proxy-related, or server-side, and it speeds diagnostic steps that follow. Once you have logs, test connectivity directly. Bypass the proxy, ping the host, and telnet to port 443 or 80 to confirm reachability. Then verify proxy credentials, the PAC file behavior, and that DNS resolves properly. Clear the local DNS cache to rule out stale records. Next, increase IDM connection timeout and retry parameters so transient delays don't abort downloads. Also inspect the SSL certificate chain, expired or mismatched. You finish by restarting IDM and relevant system services, then re-enable firewall and VPN but apply the adjusted rules you tested. Reproduce the download while logging. Compare new timestamps and errors to earlier captures to confirm resolution. If timeouts persist, roll back recent OS or network driver updates, or perform a clean reinstall of IDM to eliminate corrupted settings. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, run a packet capture and look for TCP retransmits. Those reveal network instability that timeouts mask.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.